Tanong eh.
Okay, Attorney Sal, your assessment po dito sa defense submission ni Attorney Nick Kaufman.
The prosecution theory has been shattered to pieces.
Beyond their condition.
You know why? Because the very testimonial evidence and documentary evidence presented by the prosecution have been thoroughly rebutted by, let's go to the testimonial evidence, contradictions between and among the so-called witnesses, even contradictions with the witness himself or herself. Madalit sabi, puro batay or based on hearsay, double hearsay, speculation, surmises. Yun naman sa documentary evidence, sinabi ko na kanina yon, yung the very document na prinisinta nila para ipakita yung murderous intent, saka yung tinatawag nilang community or conspiracy between the president and the PNP, sumabog din sa mukha nila kasi yung dokumentong circular na sinasabi nilang yun ang command to kill, lumalabas, the very document itself shows na nakalagay doon, if you have to arrest, you have to do it in accordance with law. Kaya sumabog sa mukha nila lahat. Of course, the prosecution is saying na maganda yung kanilang presentasyon, but they are entitled to their imagined satisfaction of their presentation.
So,
Yes.
short, sir.
In short, bagsak sila. If the resolution of the International Criminal Court will be based on evidence, dismiss na ang kaso.
Or what could be other basis ng ICC for doing otherwise sa magiging decision po nila?
Doon na papasok yung, kasi there are many people who have watched the proceedings very hopeful na madidismiss. Kami kasi, ang problema, this court has assumed jurisdiction when there is none, in violation of the Rome Statute on the principle of complementarity. Secondly, despite the fact that defense has raised the issue of jurisdiction in the matter of withdrawing, bakit nila sinimulan pa rin ang confirmation of charges? And that's part of the proceeding. Ibig sabihin, we're afraid that it might have prejudged the case. Pero kung ebidensya lang pag-uusapan, wala. If you're objective enough, hindi ka bias, di-dismiss mo ang kaso.
So dito sir, hindi kayo nakatulog sa submission kasi di ba sa mga nakaraang araw sir nakatulog?
Hindi, actually nakakatulog ako dahil sa jet lag. Nagkataon naman sa presentasyon ng mga prosecution. Saka isa pa, paulit-ulit lang naman yung mga kasinungalingan nila. Kaya di ba sinasabi yung isang abogado doon, there is a virus of immunity. Kaya hindi ba sagot ko kagad? Ang ibig niya sabihin, virus of lies that they have been propagating all these years.
Sir, the defense will have another 30 minutes tomorrow. What do you hope to hear or what do you expect to hear from Attorney Kaufman and Doc Jacob?
Siguro he will be elaborating on what he has started today.
No further arguments aside from those raised already?
Depende kung meron pang isang issue na ni-raise ang prosecution na hindi niya pa natatouch.
Sir, yesterday, sorry, ate ko muna.
Sir, anong future nito doon sa pending pa rin na question sa jurisdiction kung eto't gumulong na yung hearing ng confirmation of charges?
What's the deal?
Sir, may pending na appeal pa si Attorney
Meron
Kaufman
nga.
sa question of jurisdiction. And yet, the confirmation of charges hearing has happened.
Exactly, kaya nga we are afraid na baka iba ang lumabas na resolution instead of dismissing it.
That's why you had the
We're hoping for the best and expecting the worst.
Sir, tomorrow the place of detention will also be reviewed by the pre-trial chamber 1. Mayroon po bang particular request yung defense counsel, let's say per se, change the place of detention of the former president?
Not that we know of. No, we haven't talked to Attorney Kaufman on that matter.
Sir, Attorney Kaufman did not delve too much into the jurisdiction arguments. Do you think there might be any effect on the decision on this?
Jurisdiction can be raised at any stage of the proceeding, even at the end of the trial. So walang problema na.
Sir Attorney, I am curious until
when is the duration of the process of this Duterte's case? If the ICC is cited, how long it will take?
Ay, hindi natin na.
Cited it or what? And
We do not know exactly kung hanggang kailan matatapos na.
So, Attorney Sal, you had this apprehension na ICC might have recharged already.
Well, you cannot escape that apprehension kasi nga, because of the jurisdiction issue. You know, we've been pounding na you have violated your own principle of complementarity, which is the very core of jurisdiction of the ICC to all member states. Kaya medyo takot kami. Tapos, niraise na nga yung issue ng jurisdiction, ba't tinutuloy-tuloy mo pa? Hindi mo pa nga nare-resolve with finality. But we hope that the court will do its duty to resolve the case on the basis of merit. Kasi if on the basis of merit, yung dokumentong present na nila, dokumentong destroying its own cause. At yung testimonial evidence naman, katakot-takot na double hearsay, multiple pa nga eh. Sila nagko-contradict, pati yung sarili. Gaya nung, di ba, narinig nyo kanina, yung isa was testifying na pinatay niya through knife. Pagkatapos subsequently, sinabi niya baril. Tapos yung iba naman testigo, hindi. Never naman gumamit ng baril niya. Doon lang makikita mo na kagagawan lahat ito.
So, yung sinasabi, yung charge na inutos, implemented, may mga reward money allegedly, and all those accusations, naripat lahat yun.
Yes, kasi nga, hindi ba sinasabi ni Attorney Kaufman, walang direct link eh. Walang testigo na nagsasabi na inutusan siya. Puro sabi ni ganito, sabi ni ganyan, sabi ng driver, nanggaling doon sa isang driver din o galing din sa isang security. Kaya wala, talagang walang kaso.
But
Sir, sa
despite
mga-
that, Attorney Sal, you're not yet that confident, no? Na hindi ito mauuwi sa confirmation.
As I said, on the basis of evidence, we're confident. Pero kung titingnan mo yung ibang aspect, medyo nag-iisip ka.
Sir, ano yung pinaka-strong argument na inilahad ni Attorney Kaufman para sa inyo?
Yun ang nga sinabi ko kanina, yung testimonial documentary evidence have been shattered to pieces. Nasira talaga sila doon.
Bukod sa issue ng jurisdiction, Attorney Sal, meron pa po kayong gusto sana hopefully na ilatag ni Kaufman sa kanyang...
Hindi na, nilatag niya na nga lahat eh. Kasi yung kaso, you can win a case on the basis of your testimonial and documentary evidence. Pag nasira ka